Dracer has collaborated with a world leader in OCR technology to create our intelligent Spindle Purchase Invoice Recognition system. Cost-effective and scalable, allowing you to benefit from a strong return of investment whilst continuing to grow your business. Purchase Invoice Recognition from Dracer automates the entry of purchase invoices into Sage 200, eliminating the need to manually key in purchase invoices, saving users time and making the process more efficient and accurate. Simply drag and drop or scan purchase invoices that you wish to process into the capture area. These can then be selected and sent to the document recognition service. The purchase invoices will then be read and compared with the data already stored in Sage to see if there is a match against the supplier and any purchase orders, providing the user with a status update depending on whether verification is required or not. Verification is only needed if some of the information in Sage doesn't match what appears on the purchase invoice. Alternatively, if the purchase invoice data and the Sage data do match, the document and transaction can simply be automatically posted and archived. In this example, we will manually verify the document, as there is something on the purchase invoice which doesn't match what we have stored in Sage. As you can see, Purchase Invoice Recognition has recognised a lot of the information from the purchase invoice, including matching the supplier, what Sage company the purchase invoice is for, and if we have a purchase order stored against this supplier for this purchase invoice in Sage. Purchase Invoice Recognition will match the line level detail on the purchase invoice against the original purchase order. In this case, checking the quantity, unit price and line total. There is always the option to go back to the original purchase order and check what was ordered. In this case, all the information has been processed correctly. The user is just being asked to confirm that there is no purchase order for this invoice. However, this can be automated if required. Further checks are added on subtotals, on VAT, and if there are any delivery or carriage charges. Finally, the default nominal code will be taken from the purchase order in Sage. However, if there is no purchase order, this can be added to or changed. Once verification is complete, the user can simply move on to the next document that requires verification. Before the purchase invoice is posted into Sage, the invoice can go through an approval workflow. This can be based on data such as supplier, amount, nominal code, as well as many more options. The user will receive an email notifying them of an invoice they need to approve. The user can then log onto either the online portal or mobile app to review the document and the associated data to make their approval decision. The approval decision can be made by a single approver or one of a group of approvers. Using the portal, the user can access all their approval history in one place. Once verification and approval are complete, the transaction status will be updated in the document portal, allowing the user to see the status of the document. The approved transaction will now be posted into Sage along with an archived copy of the purchase invoice. Purchase Invoice Recognition is a functionally rich solution. Don't take our word for it, talk to your Sage business partner or get in touch with Dracer for further information or a more in-depth demonstration.